Hey there, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of cybersecurity and discussing the importance of staying safe online. Cybersecurity is all about protecting our digital information and devices from harm. This can include anything from your social media account to your bank statements. It's essential to understand why cybersecurity matters, because it's not just about losing a few selfies or cat videos, but rather, it's about protecting your personal information. One of the most common reasons for cyber attacks is to steal your identity. Once an attacker has your information, they can do all sorts of things in your name, like open credit cards, apply for loans, and even commit crimes. That's why it's so important to be aware of the dangers and take steps to protect ourselves. So, here are some tips for staying safe online. Keep your software up to date on all your devices. This includes phones. Use strong passwords, or even better, a password, since we can never remember them all. And be cautious when clicking on links in emails or messages. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Thank you for joining me in learning about cybersecurity today. Stay safe out there, folks. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more helpful tips.